Hi, my name is Kalyani Kapadia and I am the CEO of K11 Education Private Limited. K11 has been founded in 2003 and we started actually as a gym management company where we used to manage other people's gym, and then we got into ownership of gyms as well. Doing that, we realized that what we require is a constant supply of manpower, that is trainers basically. And there were no ready-made trainers in the market. So we used to shortlist people, and Kaizad used to train the trainers whenever we used to fall short of the trainers. So then we realized that rather than keep on doing that, we should basically get into education and start training people on regular basis. So we have the constant supply of the trainers. That's how K11 School came into existence. And then, after a while, we realized that that's actually our strength. So gym management is not something that is our strength, but the training people, making them capable and having a good career. Having a good career is something that we like to do a lot more than what we do in gym management. In 2008, we decided to stop the gym management and ownership of gyms and divert all our focus and resources towards education. What we face problem into the marketing and getting the leads integrated into one channel, right? So the admission process was quite similar and quite smooth and quite easy. What we face problem in getting the leads funneled into one system, and I always like to have a better system for anything that we work upon. When the marketing is that effective, or you can get in touch with leads when they want us to, it's a good support for the admission team because they know when to call them. The reminders are given by the CRM on the particular time to the counselor so that they don't miss out on them. So that's the biggest help, I would say, because when I have started working in this industry on the management side, I have evolved from Excel to the CRM, which was meant for gym management, which I actually got adapted to school, to the school usage, but which was not optimal according to me. So when we started using Extra Edge, the ease of using a CRM was an increase in the productivity. So getting the lead list ready, or getting the follow-up list ready, or having some reminders at the 10 minutes before or 5 minutes before their call is due helps the team to increase their productivity. And when you have a productive system, the team can be a lot more productive and not waste time. Plus the integration with Just Dial, or integration with other platforms like MQ, or earlier what we used to use as Molarity, Facebook, and now one system that we use is OneDirect. So the integrations are very, very important now, because you use various systems. It's not like earlier that you use one system and you are stuck on that. No, now you will have to use different platforms, and all platform needs to be integrated with your CRM and ERP. And I would say that also helps to the admission team to pull out the data when they require. And support, of course, any company which is a tech company fails if they don't have a good support team, because your product is to be understood by the client and then to be used by the client on regular basis is dependent on the support. Because if the more you support your client, it's and basically I am talking from my experience, because I've been involved in one of the development and running of the company which was related to gym management software. So I'm very confident in saying that I'm very happy with Extra Edge support, the way they support K11 team. And if the support is not good, the client's team is not going to find it very helpful. So I'm going to say the features from a checker's point of view. So I'm the checker in my company. Okay, my team uses the software, and I check the software whether they have used it to the fullest capacity or not. So the analytics and the reports are my favorite feature, because on basis of that I can base my judgments. I will definitely recommend Extra Edge. So I have suggested to few of NSDC partners to use Extra Edge, because whenever I meet them in the NSDC meetings, they normally ask me what systems we use and how. So I normally suggest Extra Edge. So I would definitely recommend very highly, because it's been very effective system.